How can I rebuild trust now that I'm in recovery? It is very, very, very easy to break trust. I mean, you lie once, you cheat somebody once, and it takes about 7 times as long or 7 times as many authentic interactions in order to regain trust. So it's very, very tough to regain trust, very easy to destroy trust. All you can do is live in amends, meaning be the person you aspire to be. With lots and lots of people that I meet in recovery, that I've treated in recovery, shared that a very meaningful milestone in no matter how many years of recovery that somebody has, they look back and the time that their family let them stay at their house when they were out of town to be the safeguard, be responsible is such a momentous thing that people remember it forever. And it does take time, and allow others to have their pain, to have their anger, and the timeline that they are on where they forgive you, it's not your responsibility. Let go of trying to control that or speed that up. And in the meanwhile, just show you're sorry for what you have done by not doing those things and living to the best of your ability.